Hello guys, welcome to a new video, another video about CKA. Of course, I'm trying to go for my CKA. In this video, we are going to be doing some troubleshooting on a multi-container or application multi-container issue, or multi-application container issue. And this one is on KillerCoda, which is a free website where you can practice for your CKA, CKS, and CKAD. But we are doing a practice on the CKA. So, application multi-container issue. Let's go ahead and start and see what we get. So there's a multi-container deployment in the namespace management, all right, which seems to have issues and it's not getting ready. Write the logs of all the containers to the root logs.log. Can you see the reason why it's failing? Let's see. Let's do some get pod under the management namespace. So you can see over here that it's crashing. So they want us to write all the logs, but before we write all the logs, we can just say logs so we can take a look. Pods. Oh, we need to be more specific. Wait. Pods not found in namespace. What's going on in management namespace? I just did. Oh, I gotta get rid of pods. It's just logs, and so the way that you get the logs is the K logs, collect data, right? So you need to specify the pod, and then you can go into the namespace, which is management. There we go. So now we see the logs, and now we can go ahead and write it into the root logs.log. Okay. So it is not getting ready. Can you see the reason why this is happening? So let me go cat logs.log. So in here we have the Docker is not empty. Okay. Now we see nginx. Okay, how about so there should be two containers in. Right, let me go ahead and just clear this out. Let me go ahead and just do it like this. So the default container is nginx out of ng. Okay, can we do like httpd? Okay. So what we could do is we can just write this one as well. To logs.log cat logs.log. So now we only see one if we do it like that. So okay, so to save both of them, you need to do this, and then we can do what's the other one that is not working is the nginx. There we go. So now if we do cat, now we see we have both logs over here. We have the nginx, and we also have the httpd now. Yeah, up here. So as you can see right now, just by saying that nginx and httpd, so they're both using port 80. So it looks like whenever nginx starts, it starts fine on port 80. But then when the second container tries to bind to port 80, it's not able to do it because nginx already has it. So that's basically what it is. So yeah, validation successful. So to fix the deployment in the namespace, where both containers try to listen on port 80, remove one container. So they want us to remove one container. Okay, that should be easy enough, right? What we could do is right here, we can do edit the deployment. In the deployment, I forgot what it was. If you do a get deployment, nothing in here because it is in the management namespace. So it is collect data. So we need to get edit deployment. What did I do? Collect data, and then it's under the management namespace. There we go. So they want us to remove one of the containers. I'm going to remove the HTTPD. So we're probably going to remove from here all the way to, so I want to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So 6 down, right? Yep, that looks good. So now let's go ahead and we can go ahead and save this deployment, and it has been edited. So that is great. Now if we do a get, well, let's go say describe pod under the management namespace, we can see over here that now there's only one container, which is called NGINX, because HTTPD is now gone. Go ahead and check it. Validation successful. So yeah, we were able to fix this just by removing HTTPD, because NGINX already was taken over and using port 80. So both could not be running at the same time, because whenever NGINX took over port 80, HTTPD was not able to take over port 80. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, share this video, and thank you for watching. Like always, see you in the next one. Bye bye.